Hi, welcome back to Coffee Lover _5. This is Dory coming to you from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we are going to do a flip through of Animaux. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. Nature and Patchwork Coloriages Mysteres by Luca Gosco. This is a book that my friend Color Me Whimsy, Robin, got me for my birthday. My birthday was back in June. When I came home from my daughter's, this was waiting for me. And I really am so thankful, Robin. Thank you so much for it. This was one of the ones on my wish list. It reminds me of the Disney Hachette Heroes books, except for it was obviously way cheaper than that, which is a great thing. And so she or somebody else had this one and another one that they had shown on their channel, and I can't remember who did it. I want to say it was her, but regardless, she got it for me. It was one that I had seen on someone's channel, and I had wanted the book. So this is what the inside looks like. It is absolutely stunning. These pages are just gorgeous. And then it shows the colors down at the bottom. Over on the opposite side, it does show what the picture is supposed to be. It is in French. Doesn't bother me. I can't wait to start coloring in this. I think there's 2 or 3 in this set by the same company or person. So I can't wait. I'm hoping that my husband will get me the next one or something soon. But this is just a very stunning book. The paper quality is compared to like a Coco Wyo book or a maybe a Jade Summer book. Paper quality. So not the best paper, but not the worst paper. Great for markers because it's one-sided. Or pencils. I will probably be doing most of it in pencil, but we'll see. Depends if I can find some markers that might fit, that I might have. And then these are the answers, so look away if you don't want to know. But just look how stunning. So full of color. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. So bright. I apologize if my camera is shaking. I'm trying to make sure that you get to see the answers if you wanted to see how vibrant they are. And that is the end of the book. So again, this was Animaux, Nature and Patchwork, Coloriages Mysteres by Luca Gosco. Thanks again, Robin. Till next time, guys. Bye.